Well, Charles Duddy Echols, killed in Whitehall almost a year ago. No arrests have been made. His family is demanding answers. And last week, this is when this happened. As for today, Barbara Ron attended a press conference held by Marion County's prosecuting attorney on the results of that investigation.
We made every effort to find something that conflicted with the account and the initial appearance.
Jeffrey Freeman, Marion County's prosecuting attorney, says Charles Echols unlawfully entered the home of Leanne Chacon in the early hours of July 30th, 2023, around a year after the end of their romantic relationship. Echols entered after finding out of Chacon's new relationship with Michael Costello. The encounter included a fight between the two men.
Mr. Echols strangled Mr. Costello until he lost vision and hearing.
Later, Costello would shoot Echols 5 times with a legal firearm after Echols charged at him again. Some questions around the case include confusion on why there were 3 separate 911 calls made.
The first 911 call that remained open was 4 to 5 minutes long. There is a second and third 911 call by Ms. Chacon after the shooting. When they can't find out that they can't locate Mr. Costello's phone. At some point in time, the initial 911 call after the shots are heard on the call, that call is closed, and I believe it's because they answered the second call.
Another concern made by activists was around the use of the Castle Doctrine, which they argued did not apply to guests but just homeowners.
It's really outside the Castle Doctrine, so to speak, anyway, because deadly force had already been employed by Mr. Echols against Mr. Costello.
And the much-awaited autopsy report that took almost a year to get to Freeman due to what he says were backups and short staffing confirmed the evidence of self-defense.
All 5 gunshots that struck Mr. Echols were front to back. In nature, that they were all at a moderate distance. There were no close contact gunshots that would have left stifling or burns on the body. He had not been stabbed, strangled, or otherwise beaten and killed first before this was somehow fabricated, and ruled out any other cause of death.
Freeman says he was recently in contact with extended members of the Echols family and reviewed the evidence with them. Freeman did add officials would be open to reopening the case if anyone with new evidence steps forward. The entire press conference can be found on our website at WBOY.com. In Marion County, Barbara Ron, 12 News.